Last month I uploaded this commercial video. Then many of you guys requested how I made it. Well, here it is. First, create a new video project. I will provide all the assets in the description. You need to upload the images onto Canva. Then go to Upload tab and bring this Oreo image into our project. Reduce the duration of project like this. Right-click to duplicate the project. Scroll down to this draw tool. First, we will make byte animation. Click on this pen tool and select color white. Increase the pen size. And draw as if there was a byte. You may need to do it multiple times. Again, go to Project and right-click. Then duplicate. On the new page, now make the byte part from any side you want. Nice. We will follow the same step until there is last byte. Duplicate the page, then start to draw white mark. Like as if the biscuit is being eaten. Now you know the purpose. Let me fast forward this part. Finally, do the same for the last byte as well. Now, here is the main step. Click on this middle icon for transition. Select Match and Move. For smooth animation, increase the duration of the timer. Drag the playhead and press spacebar to play the clip. Animation looks too slow. Let's increase the timing and see the result. This looks nice. Scroll down, you will see option Apply to All. Now the animation is applied to all the pages. You can further apply timing as well. Play the clip, and if you are satisfied, click on Share and you can download an MP4 format. Bring the file right back to Canva. You will see your file in Upload section. Bring the video back to our Project tab. Moving on to next part of our video. Add new page. Change background color. Go to Elements tab and search for Oreo. Go to Photos tab. Adjust the image and remove its background. Press Alt then left-click to duplicate it. Or you can simply right-click to duplicate it. For that hand animation, let me select this image. Then remove its background. Let me delete this side image for now. You can press this handle to crop the image. Now adjust the position so that we can create lift animation. Perfect. Let me animate like this. To do that, right-click then click Duplicate. Now bring the hand image like this. Again, click on this middle icon and select Match and Move Transition. For third animation, select this image. Remove background. Duplicate the image and separate it. You may need to adjust it multiple times. Adjust until the hand movement feels right. After duplicating the page, now do this. It should look as if Oreo is breaking into two pieces. Select Match and move Transition. Now finally for this animation. This one is a bit tricky. Click on Elements tab and search for Circle. Change its color. Duplicate it. As you can see, we are forming circle layer. Right-click to go to Layers. Then Show Layers. Now this way you can adjust the position of the circle. So again, duplicate it. Go to Animate and select Style to Pop. Select the transition that suits the video. And there you have it.